Good morning, friends. I'm Dr. Yogesh Sarode, Assistant Professor of English, Jivan Vikas Mahavidyalaya, Devgram, to teach you compulsory English at BA Part 1, Part 2 and Part 3. Today's lecture is specially for students of first semester BA Part 1. As we know all that this year the syllabus for first semester and second semester is changed from this academic session. So we must see what are the contents of the syllabus, and that's why I have prepared this presentation for you students so that there should not be any confusion. So first of all, I heartily welcome you all in this session. This syllabus will be implemented from the academic session 2020-21. Total syllabus is of 100 marks, out of which 20 marks internals are there, and your here will be of 80 marks. So in examination you have to prepare for 80 marks. So we'll see the contents of that. The textbook prescribed for first and second semester is Novel Beginning, that is edited by Board of Studies members Dr. Urmila Dabir ma'am, Priya Vanzari ma'am, Renu Dalela, and the publication is Orient Blackswan. So that you have to purchase from market. Now we'll see the syllabus. Friends, before going to this, we must see what are the objectives of this syllabus. So this syllabus is specially made for you students, considering the objective to generate interest of the students. Second objective of this syllabus is to know the interesting lessons through this syllabus, then to motivate students through the life sketches of successful entrepreneurs, to develop interest in poetry through poems which are easy to comprehend, also to make the students understand the poems of different genre. The last objective of this syllabus is to make the students understand structure of sentences through prescribed grammar. So to understand any syllabus, it becomes very necessary to understand what are the objectives, what are the goals, then what will be the outcomes. We see through these lessons and poems and personalities prescribed specially this year, because the topic personalities was not there in earlier syllabus. So this new topic is introduced in syllabus from this academic session. So let us see the outcomes of this syllabus. The first outcome is the moral imparted in prose will have a positive impact on the minds of the students. Then the life of great personalities will motivate them to toil to be successful. The third one is the syllabus will contribute in vocabulary enhancement. No doubt. The learners will get an opportunity to study Indian and English poets and to develop a critical outlook through comparison. And the last outcome is the drafting skills of the learners will be honed through the prescribed items of grammar. So this is about outcomes. Now let us come unit wise, the contents. So the first unit will be based on prose, and that will comprise 20 marks. So in this first unit there are 4 lessons prescribed for you. The first one is the thief, Ruskin Bond, very interesting lesson. We'll see in details in the next subsequent lectures. The second lesson is Between the Mosque and the Temple by Bowman Desai. Third lesson is A Letter by Hazlitt to His Son by William Hazlitt. And the fourth lesson is Education Provides a Solid Foundation, written by APJ Abdul Kalam. So in first unit, you will find 4 lessons of 20 marks. Later we are going to see what is the paper pattern also, how the questions will be asked. So now in unit 2, this unit is totally based on great personalities to inspire you from their great works. Unit 2 is also of 20 marks. In unit 2, there are 3 contents, but 4 great personalities are there. First one is Ramchandra Kirloskar and Lakshman Rao Kirloskar. Third is Sudhamurti, and the fourth one is Muhammad Yunus. So all these great personalities are contained in unit 2 for 20 marks. Now if we see third unit, this unit is based on poetry section. So here also 4 poems are prescribed. First one is In the Bazaars of Hyderabad by Sarojini Naidu. Second is Daffodils by William Wordsworth. Third is To Autumn by John Keats, very renowned and interesting poem of romantic category. And the fourth one is The Highwayman, composed by Alfred Noyes. So this is about poetry for first semester. You should not confuse. Then we come to fourth unit, that is also of 20 marks. This unit is based on grammar and composition. So in it, your first topic is comprehension of unseen. You might have learnt in 12th earlier. But again, here is a revision. Point number 2 is letter writing, in which it is expected that the student should write application with resume, placement of order, complaint letter. These are the 3 major topics in letter writing. And the last one is synonym and antonyms. So these all 4 items comes under the category grammar and composition for 20 marks. Now if you see internal assessment of 20 marks, this is the early portion, it's covered for 80 marks. Now the internal assessment will be of 20 marks. That marks will be counted and sent by teacher, will be counted for university marks also. So you must pay attention to this. So the first point is you have to submit 2 assignments in first semester based on prescribed syllabus, and that will carry 10 marks each. 10 marks, 2 assignments. Means you have to submit first assignment for 10 marks and second assignment for 10 marks. And at the same time, seminar and viva host and submission will be also there for each assignment. So listen, at the time of submission of first assignment, we will go through seminar, viva voice and submission. Same process will be carried out for the second assignment, and thus for combined 2 assignments you will be assigned 20 marks. Now there will be many questions in your mind, how questions can be asked on the syllabus. So it's very easy. I have come to you with presentation. See, first question will be based on prose, in which in the A part you will be asked 3 short answer questions on unit 1, which is of prose with internal choice. Means there will be 3 questions, each of 5 marks, that you have to write maximum 200 words. So this comes to 15 marks. And question number 1B of 5 marks, in which there will be objective type questions on unit 1 prose. You have to choose the correct option. Now the format is changed. Earlier you have to write in 1 or 2 sentences. Now you have to choose the options. Okay. So 3 short questions of 200 words and 5 objective type questions, in which you have to choose the options. So these are 20 marks on unit 1. Now same process for unit 2. Question number 2 will be A, 3 short answer questions on unit 2, great personalities, with internal choice, 5 marks on each questions. That comes to 15 marks. And part B, question 2, will be of 5 objective questions on unit 2 personalities choose correct options. So this is of 5. So 15 plus 5 comes 20. Now question 3a, again 3 short answer questions on unit 3 poetry with internal choice of 5 marks each, comes 15 marks. And question number 3b is of 5 objective questions on unit 3 poetry. Choose the correct options. So 15 plus 5 comes 20. Now question number 4a, comprehension. So for comprehension there are 10 marks assigned, and then question number 4b, there is letter writing, in which I have already told you application with resume, placement of order and complaint letter, that is assigned for 5 marks. And question number 4c, synonym and antonyms, again you have to match the pair. The format has become very simple now than earlier, so that is of 5 marks. So grammar, comprehension 10 marks, letter writing 5 marks, and again synonym antonyms for 5 marks. So in this way your paper of 80 marks will appear in university examination of 80 marks, and 20 marks will be sent to university on the basis of submission of 2 assignments under the category internal assessments. So this video is especially prepared for you students, so that there should not be any confusion in the content, in the syllabus, which syllabus to follow, because last year's batch was the last. Now from this academic session, this will be the first batch for this syllabus. So it was necessary, I think, to let you know about the syllabus. I think you might have understood this presentation, and in the subsequent lectures we will see the contents. So thank you very much.